Imagine standing in the middle of a storm, chaos swirling around you, but instead of panicking, you're calm, collected, and absolutely fearless. That's the Sigma male in action. How is it possible to remain so unshaken when life throws its hardest punches? Picture this. A man walks into a boardroom where the stakes couldn't be higher. Everyone else is sweating bullets, but he's as calm as the ocean before dawn. His voice doesn't waver, his confidence doesn't crack. By the time he's finished, the room is in awe. That's not arrogance. It's Sigma energy. It's the fearlessness that comes from knowing who you are and trusting yourself in every situation. Sigma males don't just survive difficult situations. They dominate them. And in this video, we're breaking down why they show zero fear no matter the challenge. What's their secret? How do they stay so composed? Stick around, Sigmas, because today we're unlocking the mindset that makes you unstoppable. Let's dive in. Let's dive. Life is unpredictable and the unknown can be terrifying, but not for Sigma males. Picture this. You're standing on the edge of a dark forest. The path ahead is unclear, the destination unknown. For many, this would be a moment of paralyzing fear, but for the Sigma male, it's just another Tuesday. Sigma males are the embodiment of embracing the unknown. They're not just comfortable with uncertainty, they thrive in it. Like explorers charting uncharted territories, they dive headfirst into the mysteries of life, eager to uncover what lies beneath the surface. This might seem counterintuitive. After all, isn't the unknown scary? The answer is yes, it can be. But for Sigma males, the fear of the unknown isn't an obstacle, it's a challenge. Sigma males see the unknown as an opportunity for growth and learning. They believe that in the face of uncertainty, there are two choices: to cower in fear or to rise to the occasion. And they always choose the latter, but it's not just about being brave, it's about being adaptable. Sigma males understand that life is a constant flux. Situations change, people change, and they change. Instead of resisting this change, they embrace it. They see it as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become better versions of themselves. Sigma males also know that embracing the unknown means letting go of control. They understand that life is unpredictable, and no amount of planning can guarantee a certain outcome. So they focus on what they can control: their actions, their responses, and their attitudes. Instead of worrying about the future, they live in the present. They take each day as it comes, making the most of every opportunity and learning from every setback. Finally, Sigma males are not afraid to take risks. They understand that success often requires stepping out of the comfort zone and into the unknown. And while this might be daunting for some, for them, it's just part of the journey. So the next time you're faced with the unknown, take a page from the Sigma male's playbook. Embrace it, learn from it, and grow from it. For Sigma males, the unknown isn't a threat, but a playground. In a world obsessed with likes and shares, Sigma males find validation within. This is an essential aspect of the Sigma male personality, a trait that sets them apart in a society that often measures worth by external validation. Sigma males don't seek approval from outside sources. They don't wait for others to pat them on the back or give them a thumbs up. Instead, they find a sense of worth and validation from within, from their actions, their values, and their unique perspectives. This internal validation is a powerful force that fuels their self-confidence and self-esteem. Unlike their alpha counterparts, who often rely on their dominance and social status for validation, Sigma males are independent thinkers. They are comfortable with their own company, and their happiness is not contingent on the opinions of others. They don't need to be the loudest in the room or the center of attention to feel validated. They simply are, and that's enough. This reliance on inner validation makes Sigma males less susceptible to fear or anxiety. They are not easily swayed by societal norms or expectations. They have the courage to walk their own path, even if it's a path less trodden. They don't fear judgment because they don't seek it. Sigma males understand that their worth is not determined by the number of followers they have or the likes they get, but by their actions, their integrity, and their authenticity. They know that true validation comes from living in alignment with their values and principles, not from external accolades or approval. This doesn't mean that Sigma males are immune to self-doubt or insecurities. They are human, after all, but they have learned to tune into their inner voice, to trust their instincts, and to find comfort and confidence in their own skin. In essence, the Sigma male's fearlessness is not a result of bravado or arrogance. It's not a facade put on for the world to see. It's a quiet confidence that comes from knowing their worth, from understanding their strengths, and from trusting their capabilities. A Sigma male's fearlessness is rooted in his internal validation. Sigma males have a unique approach to life's challenges. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a profound insight into the Sigma male mindset, especially when it comes to dealing with difficulties. You see, Sigma males are pragmatic, they're realists, but they're also optimists. They understand that life is full of surprises, some pleasant, others not so much. So how exactly do they handle this? Well, they prepare for the worst. It's like packing an umbrella on a sunny day because they know weather can change unexpectedly. This doesn't mean they're pessimistic, far from it. They're just aware that life isn't always a bed of roses, and sometimes it throws curveballs our way. But here's the twist. While they're ready for the worst, they're constantly hoping for the best. It's this fascinating blend of realism and optimism that enables them to navigate life's storms with a sense of calm and determination. They don't dwell on the gloom and doom. Instead, they focus on the silver linings, the possibilities that things could turn out better than expected. This approach is not about being paranoid or overly cautious. It's about being prepared. It's about having a plan B, and even a plan C, just in case plan A doesn't work out. This way, they're never caught off guard, and they're able to respond to challenges swiftly and effectively. Moreover, this mindset allows them to face fears head-on. They're not paralyzed by the fear of what could go wrong. Instead, they're motivated by the hope of what could go right. They're not deterred by the possibility of failure. They're driven by the prospect of success. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Sigma male way. It's not about pretending that life is perfect. It's about acknowledging that life is unpredictable and still daring to hope, to dream, to strive. It's about standing tall in the face of adversity, not because they're fearless, but because they're prepared. They're prepared for the storm, but always hopeful for sunshine. Emotions can make us vulnerable, but Sigma males have mastered the art of emotional control. An emotional roller coaster might be thrilling at an amusement park, but when it comes to life, Sigma males prefer a more steady ride. They understand that emotions are fleeting and can cloud judgment, leading to impulsive decisions. Instead, Sigma males choose to navigate through life's ups and downs with a balanced mindset, allowing them to remain unfazed in the face of adversity. Imagine standing in front of a roaring lion. A wave of fear would naturally surge through most of us, triggering a fight or flight response. But for a Sigma male, this primal reaction is tamed by a greater force, emotional control. They might feel the fear, but they don't let it dictate their actions. Instead, they take a step back, assess the situation logically, and respond accordingly. They don't allow their emotions to take the driver's seat. This is not to say that Sigma males are emotionless. Quite the contrary, they feel deeply. They simply choose not to wear their hearts on their sleeves. They maintain a calm demeanor, not because they are indifferent, but because they understand the power of emotional regulation. They know that by keeping their emotions in check, they can think more clearly, react more rationally, and ultimately make wiser decisions. How does this contribute to their fearlessness, you ask? Well, by mastering emotional control, Sigma males remove the fear of being controlled by their emotions. They are not afraid of what they might do in the heat of the moment, because they trust themselves to remain level-headed. They are not intimidated by difficult situations, because they know they can handle their emotions, no matter how intense. Emotional control is not about suppressing feelings. It's about understanding them, managing them, and using them to your advantage. It's about not letting fear or anger cloud your judgment, but instead using these emotions as a driving force to push through obstacles. Emotional control is a key element of a Sigma male's fearlessness. Failure can be a hard pill to swallow, but Sigma males use it as a stepping stone. Now let's dive deeper into this concept. For many, the sting of failure is a deterrent. a reason to abandon ship and seek safer shores. But for Sigma males, it's an entirely different story. They approach failure not as a setback, but a learning opportunity. And this is a critical component of their fearlessness. Imagine you're trying to master a complex skill, say chess. At first, you're bound to make mistakes, lose matches, even embarrass yourself. But each of these losses brings with it a powerful lesson, a nugget of wisdom that you can use to refine your strategy, improve your game, and eventually become a chess master. That's exactly how Sigma males view failure. It's not a dead end, but a detour sign pointing towards a better route. It's not a condemnation of their abilities, but a spotlight highlighting areas for improvement. Sigma males are firm believers in the concept of growth mindset, the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. They understand that failure is a fundamental part of this process. Without failure, there can be no growth, no improvement, no progress. They're not afraid to take risks, to push the envelope, to venture into uncharted territory, because they know that even if they fail, they'll walk away with something valuable. A lesson learned, an experience gained, a new perspective. And the more they fail, the more they learn. The more they learn, the stronger they become. The stronger they become, the less fear they have. It's a virtuous cycle that fuels their fearlessness and drives their continuous growth. Failure, in the world of Sigma males, is not a mark of incompetence, but a badge of honor. It's a testament to their courage, their resilience, their relentless pursuit of growth. In the eyes of a Sigma male, failure is just another teacher. They embrace it, learn from it, and use it as a stepping stone towards their ultimate goals. And that's why they show zero fear in difficult situations. So, what makes Sigma males so fearless in the face of adversity? If you've been with us from the start, you've likely picked up on a few clues. From embracing the unknown to harnessing inner validation, the Sigma male's arsenal of fear-fighting tools is impressive, to say the least. Each characteristic we've explored is a piece of the puzzle, a facet of a complex and intriguing personality type. Let's take a moment to recap and weave these pieces together to form a complete picture of the fearless Sigma male. Remember how we talked about Sigma males embracing the unknown? This is their first line of defense against fear. Instead of recoiling from the unfamiliar, they lean into it, using it as a platform for growth and exploration. They understand that the unknown is not an enemy but a friend, a teacher. Next, we have inner validation. Sigma males are not swayed by the opinions of others. They trust their instincts, their knowledge, and their abilities. This inner validation acts as a shield, protecting them from the fears and doubts that can be instigated by external criticism. Preparation is a key aspect of the Sigma male's fearlessness. They prepare for the worst but hope for the best, a strategy that equips them to handle any situation. They are not taken by surprise or paralyzed by fear because they have anticipated and prepared for potential challenges. Emotional control is another crucial trait of the Sigma male. They are not slaves to their emotions. Instead, they master them, using emotional intelligence to navigate difficult situations without being overwhelmed by fear or panic. Learning from failure is a part of the Sigma male's fearlessness. They see failure not as a dead end, but as a stepping stone, an opportunity to learn and improve. This perspective eliminates the fear of failure, turning it into a motivational force. The Sigma male also focuses on what they can control, rather than wasting energy on things outside their sphere of influence. This reduces anxiety and fear, as they concentrate their efforts where they can make a real impact. Keeping a long-term perspective helps Sigma males to stay calm in the face of adversity. They understand that challenges are temporary and that they are just a small part of their overall journey. Lastly, Sigma males surround themselves with positivity. They understand the power of a positive mindset in combating fear and promoting resilience. In the end, a Sigma male's fearlessness stems from his self-reliance, emotional control, and ability to embrace the unknown. It's not about being without fear, but about confronting it head-on. This is the mantra of the Sigma male. to face fear with courage, resilience, and a relentless will to overcome.